Hello once again. My name is JC Paz, and in this fourth part of the MySQL Server and Tools series, we are seeing some key concepts of the XDev API for CRUD operations and the find method of the collection class. We will choose one collection and perform several operations after searching for conditions. You will see how to search for documents and how to create search conditions using bind, limit, sort, and patch. XDev API supports a number of modern practices to make working with CRUD operations easier and to fit naturally into modern development environments. This lecture shows how to use method chaining instead of working with SQL strings of JSON structures. Let's open MySQL Shell Python mode. And connect to the localhost server with user Gennaro at port 33060. After connecting, an instance of MySQLX is available, and we can use the session method to open Schema World X and store it in MySchema. Now that we have this new object, we can use the method getCollection to access country info that will be stored in my call variable. For the first time in this lecture, we call the find method without parameters from the collection class, and after executing the chain, all 240 documents from the collection will display on the screen. This is the way to display the contents of a collection from now on. We notice that the documents has keys GNP, ID, code, name, independence year, geography, and more. We are using a search string geography continent equal to North America to search all documents that satisfy the condition. Now let's execute. The script displays 37 documents or records. Now let's extend the search string within geography region equal to Caribbean and execute. Here's the display. If we change Caribbean by Central America and execute, a different list will emerge. And if we change the region by name and equal to Mexico, after execution we will see the information of this country. Let's type the content of the script update region.py. And notice that this script modify a document whose name is given and that we can handle this name as a parameter using the method bind. Now to alter the content of the document, we need to set the keys that we want to change with new values. Just because Mexico is not part of Central America, we provide the value Mexico to name and North America to new region and call the script update region.py. And now we see the change. Now let's display the data for United States. And open with Notepad the script update president.py. Here we see that the parameters to change the name of the president are name and new head. With name United States and new head Donald Trump running the script will update the president, as you can see. We can do a similar task with Mexico, updating the two parameters and running the script. After displaying the information, we can see the change. Changing the keys and values with the find and perm methods, we can display a set of different documents, as you can see. With limit, we can select the number to be displayed satisfying a condition. Also, instead of writing a search condition, we can make a list of the fields or keys to be displayed. And we can sort the displayed documents according to some condition. We have reached the end of this lecture. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe so I can continue doing lectures like this. Thank you and see you in the next.